Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. We are going to continue from where we stopped in the previous video. So we are starting with 42. Question number 42. It says, find the volume, the volume of a cubeboard which is 25 centimeter long, 15 centimeter wide, and 10 centimeter high. Options are A, 1875 centimeter cube, B, 2250 centimeter cube, C, 3750 centimeter cube, D, 3754 centimeter cube, and then the last option E, 4750 centimeter cube. Now we are asked to find the volume of a cuboid. A cuboid is a solid shape with three dimensions. And now we're asked to find the volume. The three dimensions are the length, the width, and the height. So now we are going to find that, and the volume of a cuboid is given as length times breadth times height. Now the volume equal to the length in this case is 25 centimeter times B, the breadth is 15 centimeter, and then the height is 10 centimeter. The volume of the shape will be 25 times 15 times 10 is 150. V equal to that, the volume equal to 25 times 150 is 3750 centimeter cube. So the correct answer is C, option C. All right, let's go to the next question. Question number 43. 43. It says, calculate the volume of a cone whose height is 14/3 centimeter and base radius is 3/2 centimeter. 3/2 centimeter. Now take pi. Pi is 22/7. So the options we have here are A, we have 10 centimeter cube, B, 11 centimeter cube, C, we have 14 centimeter cube, D, we have 22 centimeter cube, and E, we have 33 centimeter cube. Okay, so now we are asked to find the volume of a cone. So let's draw the cone. We have a cone in this form. Now we are told that the base radius is equal to 3/2, and then the height of the cone from here, the height is 14/3. Now we are asked to find the volume of this cone. Now the formula used in finding the volume of a cone is given as 1/3 pi, or let's try the value of pi, which is times, okay, yes, let's put pi r square h. So this is the formula we use in finding the volume of a cone. Now let's substitute this data in the formula. The volume is equal to 1/3 times pi is 22/7 times r is 3/2 raised to the power of 2 times h, 14/3. Okay, now we have v equal to 1/3 times 22/7 times we have 9/4 times 14/3. So 3 here 1, 3 here 3, 3 here 1, 3 here, so this cancel out. And then here we have 7 here 1, 7 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we have 22 divided by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11. So the whole of it is 11 centimeter cube. So the volume of the cone is 11 centimeter cube. All right, let's go to the next question. Question number, so you see option B is the correct answer. So the next question is question number 44. Question number 44. It says, in the figure below, find the height of the parallelogram ABCD if its area is 28 centimeters square. Now this is the parallelogram. So this side is 7 centimeters. Okay, now the options given are A, 4 centimeters, B, 6 centimeters, C, 18 centimeters, D, 28 centimeters, and E, 32 centimeters. Now we are asked to find the height of the parallelogram. All right, now we know that the formula used in finding the area of a parallelogram is giving us area equal to height times base, or base times height. Base times height. Now you see we have the base is 7 centimeters, and the height is what we are asked to look for. Now the area is given to be 28 centimeters square. So we have 28 centimeters square equal to the breadth is 7 centimeters times we are looking for the height. Now divide both sides by 7 centimeters. So you see this cancel out this. 28 divided by 7 is 4 centimeters. So the height is equal to 4 centimeters. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, let's pick another question. So we have question number 45. It says, the bearing of X and Y is 145 degrees. What is the bearing of Y from X? So the options are A, 045 degrees, B, 145 degrees, C, 215 degrees, D, 315 degrees, and option E, 325 degrees. Okay, now we are asked to find the bearing from Y, bearing of Y from X. Okay, let me clean this side so that I can use the diagram to explain that. Now we have points We have point Y. This is the northern axis. Okay, and then we have point X. Now the bearing is 145 degrees. Okay, so the remaining angle to complete a straight line angle will be 35 degrees. Okay, so then this other angle here, which is alternate to it, is 35 degrees. Now the question says, what is the bearing of Y from X? Now this is point Y, bearing of Y coming from X. Now this is X. Now to get the bearing, we have to measure from this point, the cardinal point north, then to where we have the line. So this is 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. Each of them are right angles. Now we also have another right angle, but we need to subtract 35 from it. And if we do that, we will have we have 40, we have 45, no, we have 55, 55 degrees. 55 degrees. So we are going to add 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 55. Then we know the exact bearing. So 90 plus 90 plus 90 is 270 plus 55 degrees, and that will give us 325 degrees. That is the bearing. So the correct option in this question is option E, which is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.